Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to answer two questions about this. Somebody asked me a while back why I don't use the blend tool up here. And I just started using the other one first. Because then when I want to do what I want and I set it at, let's say 60, then I've got to get off of it. So the way I do it is use the blend and the Docker. And all you have to do is select these two and open up under Windows, under Effects, go to Blend and open up the Blend Docker. That way you only have to grab those two and then just hit apply. Now, I'm gonna make it 20 or 60, so it's a good smooth blend. A lot of people don't realize, and this is the second part, if you grab that last one, it's separate. Shift select the green and just go again. Grab that last one, shift select the purple, hit apply. Grab the last one. You can see it's the last one because if you grab in here, you're gonna grab the bounding boxes bigger. But that one is always movable. And then shift select this and hit apply, and you've created something like that. Pretty easy, pretty quick. And I could have made them different sizes. I made this one large, not necessarily saying it's gonna help anything. But anyway, most people use this blend Docker. And if you're used to that, that's fine. I just find it's easier to use the Docker. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.